So key limes. So key limes are a little bitty lime. You can see here as compared to some of the other limes that we have, the different sizes between the key limes and some organic limes. Key limes are found a lot in Florida. They're still sour, but they're more of a lighter, if you can have a lighter lime taste. A lot of people know these from a key lime pie, which is very famous. So unless you have key limes, it's not an official key lime pie. And they want to taste this one? It's good. It tastes like limes, but it doesn't have that punch. It's a little more mild. And Nick, while we have these here, let's talk about the different types of other limes, right? So this is a commercially produced lime. You can see the rind is much thicker. It's green. It doesn't have a lot of juice. This is an organic lime from Hawaii. You can see the difference. This one has a little more seeds. This one is seed-free. But from a juice standpoint, we can get a lot of juice out of this one. And this one, because it's commercially produced, tends to be dry, right? That isn't for all commercially produced limes, but that's what we have here.